Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'll show you the fastest way to get into this option to actually turn it on. And after that, I'll show you the section in which you can actually customize it. So let's start with the fastest way. As I said, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, unroll it fully of course, and go to the right. Here we've got the icon eye comfort shield. If you cannot find it, no worries, just tap on this plus icon and you will be able to add it to this panel. So if you want to turn it on, nothing easier, just tap on it. And as you can see, or probably not really see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish, which simply means that the eye comfort shield has been applied. And if you want to turn it off, just tap on it again. So this is the fastest way to get to this option and immediately turn it on or off. But if you would like to customize it, then let's enter the settings, tap on the display here, and we have to find eye comfort shield. So of course you can also turn it on or off from this section. And in order to customize it, we have to tap on it. Here we've got the color temperature section, we've got the switcher. We can set it much cooler by going to the left, and right now it is totally invisible, at least for me. And by going to the right, we can make it a little bit more visible. I would say that the colors are a little bit dull and the contrast is not that high, that intensive. Of course, it's up to you which option you'd like to use. I will stick with this option. What's more, you can set a schedule, always on, which simply means that you have to manually turn on and off this option, sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are. It is, I believe, location based. And the custom option, which simply means that you can pick the start and the end time up to you, and then your device will simply set the schedule and work with that. So turn it on around 7 p.m. and turn it off around 7 next day. But I prefer always on. And basically that's all. This is how to customize, how to turn on the eye comfort mode in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.